So we have a brand new box to unbox.
We do?
Yes. Know that our last Turbo Racing with the Lancer went to 500,000 views. Oh, hey. We got t-shirts. Here's a medium. Yep, here's a medium. Here's a medium, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a few of them. Cool. Oh my god. What the?
What?
Turbo Racing hats.
Oh my god, look at
Look at
that. We got Turbo Racing buttons. These are tiny barriers for the track. Are you kidding? There's got to be like 100 in there.
That's your math lesson for today. Count
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the sticker
those are
pack.
Nice.
Oh, there's so
Holy
many.
cow.
Oh, even more. So white and red barriers. Oh my goodness. Okay, where are the red ones?
right
Where are the
here.
red ones? Yes. Okay, let's open this for a second. Oh no, this is gonna take forever.
Oh my god.
Well,
And the new rides, bro.
yeah.
The new rides.
I'm very excited to see.
I think they're both green.
Yeah, they are.
Will you grab that light and bring it a little bit closer, buddy?
Yeah. Oh, you cheater! You cheater! Oh, you're gonna hurt it.
Here it is. We got it all set up. I did most of the work, as you could see from the.
I did a lot of it too.
Maybe, but.
But yes, you are correct in one way where he did put these sticky barriers up so that
These are sticky on one side, which was very. It's a coping. It goes. I think.
it's a coping mechanism.
So we did the coping all the way around, and then we did the barriers, which I was really into doing it as in red, gray, white, and you really.
I just did white and red.
White, red. So that doesn't matter.
Nope.
But look at this. This
From here, it
totally
all looks
helps
the same, by
track.
the way. It all looks the same.
Look what we have, 176 scale, brand
Yeah.
new drift cars. Two dudes that don't know how to drift but love the idea of it. So let's
Okay,
rip
I
into
got,
this. This
wait,
says it
wait,
has a
wait.
new counterweight. It also, there's an upgrade of the 3 major systems, and there's a brand new remote control. There's an adjustable wheelbase from 176 scale to 164 scale. So cool. And then there is a light chassis, or a chassis light, it says, pardon me, simulated rear view mirror, and a pluggable battery. What does this mean? Equipped with a brand new P36 remote. It comes with a drift practice sheet. Very challenging, I've found, but oh, this looks awesome. So extra bodies on the inside.
Give me just one moment.
You got a slice on
Oh
this
yeah,
side,
I
pal.
didn't. Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
There we go.
Rocking the Turbo Racing. Enjoy your package there,
Yeah.
pal.
Damn.
Got some extra bodies.
If we open this
And then
up,
this little car, look at this.
there it is. Oh,
Awesome.
I just opened all
There
that
you
up.
go.
Okay, there we go. There's the nice,
Look
beautiful
at-
colors.
The wheels are being held in place by a piece of cardboard, making sure that the gyro system, everything is protected.
Oh yeah, that's actually quite smart.
Right? Look at this beautiful little car with metal wheels. 3 different speeds. I don't want to say a whole lot because I want to learn about this new model that's here. Because here's my Lancer.
That's a beautiful control.
Oh, that is a beautiful
Look at that.
controller. Oh, very
That's
nice.
great.
So we also have a replaceable wheel for the controller. If there's like 2 of us, we have 2 different vehicles.
Yep.
We can swap over just by
For color? Oh, yeah, that
undoing
makes
it.
sense.
Yeah. Oh, neat. This also comes with a. Go ahead.
Yeah,
This also comes with a separate receiver. This is something new. So you can run this radio with another vehicle as well. So that's a ton of bonus in here.
Yeah.
Pistol grip radio, rubber handle on the back there. Let's see, I'm just gonna slide.
There's quite a few more controls on top of this.
Oh, even the name on the end is, it has the name on the end. Here's the other one. There's a comparable difference.
Yeah.
right there.
The bottom does not have a stand for it.
Oh yeah, there's no quick charge charger where these ones had a charger USB-C right here. I noticed that this one does
This is
not
really
have that. But we do have a USB-C cable and a USB cable.
Yeah.
And then, so here is the cartridge that goes in the bottom. It
Whoa.
looks like it takes,
Yeah. And if you want to do a full customization with
I have
it,
to
like,
check what that is. Is
you
that
can
two
change
double
the rubber
A's?
part of it and the actual steering wheel,
Nice.
which is really, really good. But I prefer the green. So right here, I just took mine out just for looking. But if I put mine in there, you can just grab onto the battery part, and then you can slide it out. And then if you have a slightly bigger battery,
This one.
yeah, you can slide that one.
That's the thing. This is not a double A. It's one of those larger batteries. I think it called for a 5-volt input. 5-volt, yeah, 1 amp.
Yeah.
So this is actually a 3.7 volt that I have in there, but just to kind of show you the size-wise, I've never had to use these big ones before. Okay, so we lost Mom. She had to go out, but we're
Yeah.
going to continue filming and get our race going, shall we?
Yeah.
Look at these.
Yeah, beautiful cars.
Look at the whole course now. Hey, now we've got
Fully completed.
the barriers are out.
And they're quite strong because we use some extra sticky pads because this stuff is actually sticked onto the track.
Right.
And then just can't move.
So show us an example of where there isn't coping like that. What happens with it?
Well, with this, I'm just gonna.
Oh,
slide
hey,
off it.
look at what you figured out with the barriers. Instead of them just standing up, you can actually hook them so that they're like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So
But
they hook into their legs.
Also, with the barriers, with the
Yeah.
stickies.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's going to help us learn how to drift a little better, because part of the frustrating part of learning how to drift is always sliding outside.
Well, yeah, you'd slide off, and it would suck when you accidentally slide it off the
Yeah.
entire track.
Yeah. So there is 3 settings on the radio. We've got 20% throttle, 50% throttle, and 100%, which is the like it's a limiter basically. And you have gyro settings, your throttle trim, your steering
Yep.
trim. Sir, I'm going to be driving one-handed here.
Okay.
Did you want to give her a round first slowly and get the feel of the vehicle?
I'll try my best, yeah.
Here, I'll get out of your way here for you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah, those work. I just want to see those. Okay, I'm just gonna go into.
So it is not easy to
Yeah.
drift.
Did you turn down my gyro?
Yeah, you do, dude. I see it's kind of wiggling as it drives around there.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's drifting.
No, because you need to add more wheel speed to it.
It
These
is,
are
it's on.
2-wheel drive. Yeah, so your dual rate here is actually going to affect how much your steering will work, not the gyro, but your steering. So here we just had a look on the inside of the car, and we actually didn't need to remove any screws. There's the battery right there, 3.7 volt. We didn't need to remove any of the screws that were there. You just had to kind of do something like this. Here, hold this there, son, right there. Thank you. So you'd flip it upside down, and you just kind of hold the wheels and then the tip of the car, and just bend it back.
And
And it just separates like that, yeah.
Yeah.
So then you have access to all the areas of the vehicle that you would need. So, you'll also notice on here, buddy, that there is these counterweights.
Yeah, they just pop out.
Yeah, so a counterweight on either side beside those small tires. Now, I've got his gyro turned off right now, so it's not actually changing anything, but if I turned his gyro on, you would see as I move around, the car is moving. And I'm just using that, I believe, on channel 5, which is a dial on the radio itself. The sensitivity of the gyro. So here are the 2 counterweights that I removed on either side, right and left. They're metal. You, sir, also removed them.
Yeah, I just replaced them with like some extra plastic
Plastic
pieces.
for your light kit. And so
now you haven't seen it. He hasn't tried it, but mine's actually like drifting like it's on ice. So why don't you, sir, give it a go?
100%.
See what you think is now that it's lighter.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, there you go. So it was almost like it was too heavy. Mr. Morris never have really drifting before. This is going to be great practice for him all the way around the winter. There you go. Very
It's so
typical.
difficult.
Turn down your throttle input to about 50%.
100%.
No, 50%.
It is on 50.
I'm just bugging you. Right? So maybe where one counterweight may help him. Are you in 20%?
I just turned it down to 20%. I'm still drifting like crazy.
Let's see here. I'll turn mine on.
I do suggest 50% though, because 20% is a little slow.
There we go. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so smooth.
And the barriers work really, really well against this too. Like if I just go forward, that helps.
It drifts so well. Oh, oops. We're going to need a lot of practice to be in a chain. I'm almost embarrassed to be showing off for Turbo Racing. They're great drifting cars.
I do genuinely think that we can do better.
Oh, we can.
Oh shoot, we almost collided.
Like anything, it's just going to take some practice.
Yeah.
All right, I am ready to finally.
Let's get
Go
ready
head to head.
rumble.
You put a barrier in my way.
Yeah, I did. Well, dude, not like you can crash through it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, drift. Oh,
shoot,
I
shoot,
failed.
shoot, shoot. Okay, there we go.
Who put a bit? Yeah, I love it.
Good idea with the barrier.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, I love this car. This is so much easier to drift than our other version.
Yeah, it was really difficult drifting the other ones, but
Yeah. I'll tell you though, like my Skyline, I had it taken apart here. I was looking at the differences. There we go.
yeah, because we could put extra.
This drift's different. My other one, this drift easier.
What?
Me,
Okay.
caveman, happy with drifting vehicle.
Yeah. Oh shoot. I'm going to
yeah.
get shoot. Oh shoot.
Oh yes.
These barriers are working really, really well.
Yes, I agree. Oh yes.
Oh, I
Oh,
keep
yes.
racking up points.
Oh,
Oh, dude, you broke the barrier.
I'm always breaking barriers.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
So
oh, shoot.
fast.
It's like I'm on like 50%, and this is still really, really fast for me.
Oh, nice job. Oh yes.
This is difficult.
So right now, I know you guys don't know that are watching. It is like raining and freezing cold outside. I would love to RC out there, but instead we get to race indoors.
Yeah, some tabletop racing.
Tabletop racing. Yep. Oh, nice.
Oh, shoot.
Nice.
Come on, dude.
Oh. So the coping in the middle, I'm glad the coping is there because the barriers are destroyed, much like my bumper.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Well, these are pretty good bodies, though.
Oh, yeah. Well, and that's the thing. Did you notice in the box it actually came with 2 extra bodies?
Yeah, for us to paint, just
So
like some of the others. There we go.
Look at that. So you can actually paint your own body, right? If you don't want to use this one. All right, so
Hey, mine.
So here we are at the beginning of our evening, end of our afternoon. We had a blast with the 176 scale or 164 scale. New drift car from Turbo Racing. Thank you to Turbo Racing for sending out all the gear, all the buttons to have fun with.
I have so many.
All the barriers. We hope you guys had a ton of laughs today. And you want to check out these little cars, we'll leave a link in the video description box below the video player. And like, comment, subscribe. You know how it goes here.
Have a good day.
He said it best.